Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Kids colors name: red color, yellow color, black color, blue color, green color, and white color. Kids now coloring ABC and 1 2 3. Kids first draw A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. The alphabets of A and use red color. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C. Kids again use red color and draw. D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E. Kids again use red color and draw. F for fish, F for fan. The alphabets of F. G for goat, G for grapes. The alphabets of G. Kids again use red color and draw. H for hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. I for ice, I for ice cream. The alphabets of I. It's neither J for joker, J for jackfruit. The alphabets of J. And use yellow color. K for kite, K for king. L for lion, L for lemon. Kids again use yellow color and draw. M for moon, M for mango. N for nose, N for nest. Kids again use yellow color and draw. O for orange, O for octopus. P for parrot, P for penguin. Kids again use yellow color and draw. Q for queen, Q for quill. Kids neither R for rose, R for rice. The alphabets of R. And use black color. S for sun, S for snake. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids again use black color and draw. U for umbrella, U for uncle. The alphabets of U. V for van, V for vanilla. W for wallet, W for watch. Kids again use black color and draw. X for x-ray, X for xylophone. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Kids again use black color and draw. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Kids now draw numbers, and first draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use blue color. O N E 1 2 T W 2. Kids again use blue color and draw. 3 T H R W 3. 4 F O U R 4. Kids again use blue color and draw. 5 F I V E 5. 6 S I X 6. 7 S E V E and 7. Kids again use blue color and draw 8. EIGHT 8. 9. NINE 9. 10. TEN 10. The last numbers of 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.